Dr. Michael Leveille.
Ever tried sneaking spinach into a picky kid's smoothie? They don't even notice, but suddenly they're getting way more nutrients. That's kind of what we want to do with hydrogen in natural gas pipelines, blending it in to extend the US energy supply without anyone having to change our entire energy infrastructure. So you may be wondering, is there a problem with natural gas alone? First off, it's a limited resource. The US could deplete its proved reserves in just 10 years. Second, it releases carbon into the atmosphere, accounting for almost as much CO2 emission as transportation in the US. Wait for it. Enter green hydrogen, a clean fuel made from splitting water. So guess what? It can be produced abundantly on US soil. You see, we may be able to blend green hydrogen with natural gas and use our vast network of existing gas lines to deliver it, cutting emissions and ensuring our energy supply lasts longer and remains in the US. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the challenge, right? Well, at the molecular level, hydrogen is very different from natural gas. So we need to be sure our gas lines can handle it reliably and safely. Researchers at Sandia have been instrumental in developing our current understanding of hydrogen combustion and interaction with materials. We know hydrogen embrittles metals, but its impact on plastics remains less understood. This is where my work comes in at Sandia National Labs. The plastic polyethylene, for example, makes up millions of miles of gas lines in the US. Yet some studies show hydrogen causes cracking, while others suggest it actually strengthens the plastic. There's a big knowledge gap there. To solve this, I study how hydrogen affects the microscopic structure of these polymers. Using advanced light scattering techniques, including lasers and X-rays, I examine the molecular vibrations and crystal structure of polymers exposed to hydrogen and blended gas environments. I can often be found cutting up pipes, putting them in hydrogen, and completing experiments that simply have never been done before. And good news, so far, results show hydrogen causes no permanent damage to polyethylene. That's a promising sign. And moving forward, my tests will help fill the gap in understanding hydrogen's impact on plastics and how it affects pipeline operation and longevity. Let's make sure our gas lines are safe, ever-flowing, and key to US energy resilience for generations to come. So, next time you turn on your stove or heater, imagine a future where the same pipelines quietly deliver cleaner energy. Just like that hidden spinach in the smoothie.